This is code.org. Okay, so this is going to save across projects. Right now we're going to do the background. First, make the background for your scene to fill the screen with color. And do at least 2 shapes. So I'm going to do a joke that is also about space. So I'm going to keep my background somewhat spacey. All right, let's go ahead and draw. So first is going to be the background color. And let's do... Now, you can always use red, green, blue, and enter numbers here. Let me just see what their default blue is. Let's try dark blue. I'm not sure if that's going to work. Yeah, I'm going to go with black for space. All right. And then we're going to need a planet type thing. And so I'm going to use an ellipse for that. Now, let's just see how big that is. It is ginormous. And so let's remember, guys, when you're looking at this, it's X, Y is the size, or X, Y is the location, width, and height. I'm going to want mine maybe over here. So it looks like X of 90, Y of 320. And maybe 150, 150. Let's give that a shot. I want it bigger. Cool. And now I want it to be a water world. So I'm going to make it blue. Now remember, I have to put the color above it. Because this tells the computer in order, hey, background's black. Then grab your yellow paint, except I want it blue. And then color this circle. Okay, that's looking good. Let me throw in a red planet. Cool, I'm liking this position, but I want to make it red. We go maybe orange. Cool, I want it smaller. Great, I'm liking that. We got a background, we have 2 shapes, and I'm good to go. Onward.